Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Mike Toledo. We got a Tesla right here with a matte finish. As you can tell, they just wrapped it, but they noticed there's a door ding in the body line on the aluminum panel on the driver's door. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that. I'm gonna show you the process. It's a little bit involving, and I'm gonna show you a new tool if you're a PDR tech, what tool you can use on this Tesla. Let's get cracking.
Okay, so in order to access the dent on the body line, I'm gonna have to attach a carabiner clip to the latch and then tie a rope around it. I removed 3 Torx screws. Now I can push it in and put it out of the way, and later I'll be able to retrieve it easy when I'm done. Now I'm using a Gorilla Grip handle paired with specialized PDR Tesla door tools from PDR Finesse. Now these Tesla Model Ys and 3s are aluminum on the doors, and they feature a tight brace along the top just across the body line that goes all the way down the door as I depicted in the diagram. Now these tools offer perfect access between the dents and the bracing. To achieve a precise dent repair, I'll use clear packing tape for an essential purpose, gaining a reflection. This step is crucial because without a clear view, fixing becomes a guessing game. The goal is to restore those lines to perfection. When the lines are fat, it signifies a low spot, while the skinny lines indicate a high point. But the magic happens when those lines become uniform and identical. That's when the dent disappears. Now, of course, I've been meticulous to avoid any unwanted high spots during the process. Now it's time to reposition the latch. Now I retrieve the rope, gently pull back the latch back into its proper place, aligning it with the corresponding holes, securing the latch, and we're back in business.
It might look fast, it might look easy, but it's not. Experience matters. Knowing how to push, knowing how to set up the reflection, no mistake. Kept the wrap pristine, didn't hurt it, because we know what we're doing a little bit. If you want somebody to know what they're doing on your Tesla or your vehicle, contact us, denttime.com, or text us photos, 858-943-9676. Thanks for watching, everybody.